Towards me? Yes. Towards you? No. You would think I would have had it by now, but I got it now. Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking a look at this brand new floor plan from the Keystone line. This is the Cougar 25MLE. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification because we have a lot more floor plans heading your way. Now, let's take a look. Starting out on your entertainment side, you do have your entryway with a nice set of stairs over here and a good and sturdy handle. We also do have an awning. This awning is very great quality. It'll keep you nice and shaded. And underneath that, there is an LED strip. So if you want to come out here and party at night, you can easily light things up. We also do have indoor-outdoor speaker systems. So if you want to listen to music both in the camper and outside, you can do that. And there's one more thing over here, so let's head down and check that out. Towards the back of your camper, you do have an outdoor kitchen. In here, they've done a cute little thing. They have continued the backsplash from your kitchen out here. So just a nice little thing they've done. We also do have a mini fridge, and you also have a capital griddle out here. Now, let's check out the storage. Your pass-through storage is located at the front of your camper, and this is a nice large space. And down here, they've given you an easy to clean out floor. So if things kind of get a little messy at the campground, you can easily clean this out. We also do have an LED strip, your solar disconnect, and a couple other hookups that you're going to need at the campground. And on the outside of that driver's side, you have your tankless water heater and your docking station. Now, let's move on to the inside. When you first walk in, over to the left is your touchscreen and command control panel. This is where you control all your lights, your slides, and your climate and other settings. Super user-friendly, really nice to use. Also over here, we do have some storage. Underneath your dinette is this little storage area. You can toss your shoes under there or some smaller items. Moving on into our kitchen living area space. Over here, I would call this kind of your hutch area. There's plenty of storage up here. This can be a catch-all if you want to throw off your keys, bags, other items when you walk in. Or if you wanted to make this maybe like a coffee area, you could have a Keurig set up right here and just some other things. Down below, we do have a little bit more storage up here on this top level. And right here, technically this is part of your kitchen because this is your pantry area. In here, there are some nice deep shelving units. This is perfect for full-size cereal boxes, cans, or other kitchen items. Down below is very similar. Some more deep storage right here. You could put some dog food, cat food, or just some other kitchen items in there. Now, let's check out your living space. In the one side of your camper, you do have your theater seats over here. These are very nice and easy to recline. You have some controls right here that kicks out those feet for you. You also do have a USB port right there. We have some cup holders right here and a little bit of storage. This is perfect for remotes or books or even a small tablet. We do have a couple of windows right here as well, so you can see all those campground views. Also in our slide, we do have our Furrion fridge. Just a note, these things do change from camper to camper, so make sure you check with your salesman. This opens up and gives you tons of space in here for all of your groceries. Now, let's check out your dinette. Across from your theater seats is your dinette. This dinette is super cute and it does have lots of elbow room, so you can eat a meal as a family. Another cool thing about this is this table easily pushes down and these cushions fold out to give you another sleeping space. So if you have more than one person attending the campground with you, they have another place to sleep. Up here is our TV. It sits right across from those seats, so you have a perfect view of that. On the left side is a little bit of storage, and right above me, there is some storage up top. And a cool thing, they have put a little area right there for your cords to go through. So if you want to put maybe an Apple TV or a Fire Stick in there, you can do that. Right here is where you control that indoor-outdoor speaker that I showed you on your entertainment side. Now, oh, one more thing before I go. We do have an electrical outlet right here, and you also have a USB and USB-C port, so you can plug in some of your phones or your tablets or a computer while you're sitting here at your dinette. Now, check out the kitchen. In the back of our camper, we do have our kitchen area. Starting out on the right side, we have our Furrion microwave. This is another thing that changes, so make sure you just keep an eye out on that. Underneath, we have tons of counter space. So if you're wanting to have a buffet style meal, you're gonna have plenty of room to set that stuff on. We have lots of drawers over here to keep our items in. Over here, we have plenty of storage, lots of shelving options. Right here, we do have our sink. A good thing about this sink, it is two-sided. So if you wanna wash some dishes in one and have other things in the other side, you can do that. There's a retractable nozzle, and check out how much storage is under the sink. This opens up both sides and it is huge down there. You can put easily a nice size trash can, some cleaning items, or really whatever you want to put down there. We have more storage up top, and I love how the backsplash goes all the way up into these cabinet spaces. That's really cute to me. We have our typical 3-burner stovetop with that splash guard on it. Underneath is your oven, and there's an added drawer down here. This is a little bit deeper. You could put a couple pots and pans. It's not huge, so you can't fit a ton under there, but you have so much cabinet space, you can easily put them up top too. Now, let's check out the bathroom. We do have a full-size bathroom in this Cougar, and we're gonna start out by looking over here at the sink. You have this nice big mirror that's actually a medicine cabinet. So behind it, you do have a good amount of storage. This will hold all of your toiletries or just your getting ready items. Down below, we have our sink, and over to the right, we do have our light switch and an electrical outlet. So if you have an electric shaver, a straightening iron, or your blow dryer, you can use that. We do have some storage underneath, and that's a pretty big storage area down there. You could fit a smaller trash can, or if you want to stack up all your toilet paper, you can do that too. Over on the right side, we have our step to flush toilet, and we do have a hanging bar right here so you can hang up your towel. Stepping into the shower, we do have a nice size shower, and there's tons of head height in here. I'm about 5'8", so plenty of room for me in here. Up here, we do have a skylight, so if you want some natural light getting ready in the morning. Over on the left-hand side, we have some built-in shelves for your soaps and shampoos, and there's even a detachable shower head. And one super cool thing to note, this shower, it's not a tub by any means, but it is deep shower. So if you want to wash some babies or some dogs, or you just have a lot of water in here and you don't want it splashing out, it's pretty deep, so it's going to stay in the bottom of this and it's not going anywhere. Now, let's check out the bedroom. In your Cougar, you do have a private bedroom up front, and up here they have given you a queen-size bed with tons of storage. On both sides of me and overhead, you do have storage. In these, there is a hanging bar, so you can hang up a couple items of your clothes or put shoes in there, or just other things you kind of want packed away. Also on both sides, they've given you an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port, so you can plug in all your tablets, phones, computers, whatever you want. Also, you do have a little cubby hole area over there, so if you do want to stuff some things in there, you can, or if you want to set like a glass of water on the side before you go to bed, you have that area to do that. And the best part about this bedroom is the closet, so let's check that out. Across from the bed is your closet space, and this opens up into a huge area. You're going to be able to fit pretty much your whole wardrobe in here between this and your other closet spaces. You can put a lot of things up here, and they've even given you a couple of drawers. This is perfect for your pajamas or your socks and underwear. So if you're interested in this Cougar or anything else in our Keystone line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.